1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sugar pie, honey bunch, you know that I love you. I can't help myself, I love you and nobody else. In and out my life, you come and you go, leaving just your picture behind, and I kissed it 1,000 times. When you snap your finger or wink your eye, I come running to you. I'm tied to your apron strings, and there's nothing that I can do. Can't help myself, no, I can't help myself. Sugar pie, honey bunch, I'm weaker than a man should be. I can't help myself, I'm a fool in love, you see. Wanna tell you I don't love you, tell you that we're through, and I've tried, but every time I see your face, I get all choked up inside. When I call your name, girl, it starts to flame, burning in my heart, tearing all apart. No matter how I try, my love I can't deny. Sugar pie, honey bunch, you know that I'm weak for you. Can't help myself, I love you and nobody else. Sugar pie, honey bunch, do anything you ask me to. Can't help myself, I want you and nobody else. Sugar pie, honey bunch, you know that I love you. I can't help myself, no, I can't help myself. Sugar pie, honey bunch, you know that I'm weak for you. Can't help myself, I love you and nobody else. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Enya Music for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this awesome concert-sized Nova ukulele. And by the way, it's made out of carbon fiber, so it's very travel-friendly, sturdy. It's not going to work in different weather conditions. And also, it comes in a bundle with some strings, a strap, and other accessories that are going to enhance the way you play this instrument. So click that link in my description box below and grab a hold of your Nova ukulele today. Again, thanks for checking out this channel. And by the way, if you want to hear some more music, then click on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another of my ukulele play-along videos I know you're going to enjoy, and I really hope you break out your ukulele and jam along with me. So click that link right over there, and I'll see you in the next video.